First of all, I think what we're seeing in the markets right now is a healthy rebalancing away from what we would call hype and momentum plays, more towards utility and infrastructure. Of course, at Zebec, we've been building the rails now for real-time finance for over 5 years. We're squarely in the infrastructure category. And we think that really our time is here as a company to really show what we've built and bring it to the enterprises of the world.
I can honestly say, guys, just from listening to that, all of you guys out there that hold Zebec, all of you guys out there that hold projects like Canton, Hyperliquid, a lot of these other plays that we've been discussing here, Alio, plays like that, he's going to talk about that. It should make you feel good because none of these projects that I've been talking about are hype. This is the infrastructure phase that we are entering with cryptocurrency, and we can say bye-bye to the Wild Wild West. Bye-bye to projects that do more talking than producing.